Shillong Law College Women's Cell of the Internal Quality Assessment Committee IQAC kala Pynlong ya ka street play ban pen priang jingtip hakabaya day bat ki kam baman persya hi kenthai bat ki an bom ya sha liang kum shi benta ban rakhe ya ka diamond jubilee ya kani ke chingale kai la Pynlong ha Shillong dhan ka ti point hakaba shibuan ki khna puli ki la ya shimbenta haki chingale kai ba pher ban ai jing hi kai ki pat ba halor ki ni ki mat ki ba kongsan I Dr. Rishi Shadakar, ibadai I convener Chongka Women's Cell, but I Dr. Rinalini Khasi, ibadai I Vice Principal Chongka Shillong Law College, but ki weipat ki dikot kilaya don bentalang hakatay ka program. Habakren shikinong tho kubor, I Dr. Khasi ilabanjur halor kaching don kam chongki an, bom ya sya liang ban kentiw ya kerukom im bat ki im lang sa lang kabayaran kat kedan.
Are being abused in spite of having various important rights, beautiful rights which we have. And the only reason responsible for this is the lack of awareness. In fact, each and every woman, not just women, each and every citizen should be well aware of what the rights which they have, and even if in case their rights are being violated, infringed, then of course we have the law. Law is there, which is a kind, of a protective, so to say, instrument insofar as those women are concerned, if at all their rights are being violated. We have the law.
Hakal Limpong Yakura.